हेलो दोस्तों, 5 questions you need to ask yourself when you want clarity in your life. It can be of any type of clarity. These 5 questions will help you to get those answers. If you are sincere with yourself, if you are true to yourself, if you are transparent to yourself, then these questions will help you to find the right answers because you know yourself better than anybody else. So 5 questions you need to ask yourself when you want clarity in life. First one is, what do I truly want from my life? What do I truly want from my life? Question mark. And see what answers you are getting for this question. Next is, what are all the ways I can think upon to get there? What are all the ways I can think upon to get there? And these answers will help you to chart out a plan for yourself. Third one is, which of these ways are suitable taking into consideration my strength, my weakness, my personality, my skill, my talent? Which of these ways are suitable to take into action thinking my personality, my skills, my talent, and my way of understanding things, my strength, my weakness? This was the third question. Fourth question is, what is stopping me from taking that path for growth, for progress, for development, for success? What is that one thing or two thing or three thing which is holding me back? Question mark. Write this question and try to answer it alone. Try to answer it if you have a close friend. Try to answer it with your mentor. Try to answer it with your relative who knows you much better. And the answers will shake you from inside because you will come to know that what is holding you back. And fifth one is, who do I have to become to overcome that fear? What will take me to overcome that fear? How should I overcome that fear? This was the fifth question. Put these questions on paper and find out the answers for yourself. And if the answers are genuine, if the answers are true to your heart, if the answers are exactly as what you feel, then I am sure these answers will help you to find a roadmap, to find a plan, to find a clear picture on how to move ahead in life and what has to be done with your life. So my point is that finding clarity in life is very important to do the hard work, to do the progress, to do the focus, to do the all the actions what is needed. But one has to be very clear. If you are not clear about your destination and you have started the journey, then imagine where you will reach. You will reach nowhere at the end of the day. So having clarity on your destination is very important. And if you don't have clarity, then you should try to find it out why you don't have the clarity. And these 5 questions you need to ask yourself when you want clarity. I will repeat these questions fatafat so that you can make a note of it and you can answer these questions with yourself and with a person whom you trust, so that you can get the right answer and you can find a solution to make a roadmap for your life, to make your life better and better every day. Question number one is, what do I truly want from my life? Question number 1. 2. What are all the ways to get there? Simple. Third, which of these ways are suitable and best to my strength and weakness as a person who I am today? Fourth, what is stopping me from taking that path which will take me to progress, to growth, and to success? And fifth one is, who do I have to become to overcome that fear? What should I do to overcome that fear? These 5 questions, you note it down answer at your own pace, jot down all the points which comes in your mind, and then I'm sure you will be able to find a clarity, a purpose, and a clear destination, that where, how, and when you will move, you will take action towards your betterment, towards your growth, and towards your goal. Thanks a lot for listening. See you soon in my next video.